Okay, we're going to take another trade on TLRY. Everybody expected marijuana stocks to move higher, the whole cannabis sector, but we're actually calculating for it to sell off. So we're going to buy some puts in TLRY. One more time, we were trading this thing last week, but we're expecting the bigger drop to come in. If we can just see some volume in this thing, we could get a pretty nice drop here. So we're going to buy these 67 puts. We're going to buy 16 of them at about 1.1. Let's see if we can get a quick fill here. Okay. Should be able to. Come on, 67 puts. Let's go. Okay, 1.1. May have to raise it just a tiny bit. Raise it to maybe 1.15, 1.13. Let's see if we can get that filled right there. Come on. Got to be able to. 1.13. Let's go. 67 puts. All right. Clearly, they don't want to sell them to us. They think this thing is probably about to flop. So let's try to hurry up. Raise it just one more time. Okay. Not working. Okay, boom. We got an order filled at 113. We got 16 of them filled, so that's handled. Guys, short selling some of these ALDX shares. Boom, I just did 500. I'm adding 500 more. Okay, done, sold 500 more. I didn't want to buy the puts here because they expire in 23 days, and it's a very cheap stock, right? So that doesn't work out really well to buy options on some of these cheapies. But I'm expecting a pullback right here. So if it drops $1, it'll be quick, $1,000. Not a ton of action, but it's better than holding puts. So as you can see, the average cost now on these 1,000 shorting Aldera Therapeutics is basically a 1084. Starts falling, and so $100 within a couple of seconds here. But ideally, we want to see it pull back to about 9.5, 9.9. That's where we're going to take some of the trade off of the table. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn 4K into 20K. Here's the trade we're going to take, TLRY. We're going to buy these 64 strike puts at 50 cents. We're actually going to buy 80 of them if we can right here. Boom. Probably slightly under 80. Okay, so that didn't work. We're going to try to buy 70 of these puts at 0.5, 0.49. Let's go. Boom. Done. Okay, bought 64. Okay, 70 puts of these TLRY, 64 calls. The reason I picked this one, guys, if you look at the open interest on these, right, there's 1770 contracts written on what supposedly is being good news on TLRY earnings. Chrome earnings announced some really good sales numbers, but the stock is tanking. So the whole cannabis sector is dropping, and we're going to capitalize on that. So we still got 638. We're actually going to add some puts right here, TLRY puts. Okay, we actually can't buy them for the same price I just did, so we'll just add 10 more, 13 more, 11 more, 12 more. Oh man, that's $60 now. So we'll just buy 10 more. Let's see if we can get that executed. Okay, it's in a 65 handle now. Okay, come on, I gotta be able to get an execution of that. Okay, so about 10 more. So we got a total of 80. I was buying these yesterday, the 67 puts. So I'm making $1,400 on these 16 puts that I purchased yesterday. But we're just gonna keep track of this fresh position right here, which is the 80 puts on TLRY, 64 strike. It's currently trading at 66. So I'm $2 out of the money. These actually expire in 2.5 days, or actually pretty much 3 days, because we're only 26 minutes into the trading session here. So our observation is mainly going to be focused on this trade right here. I'm not trying to get you guys confused, but just showing you. I was traveling, so I can't record every trade as I go in, but that's why we're just going to focus on this one right here. So 64 strike, we own 80 puts, and actually I bought most of them today. As you can see, there's only been a volume of 181. Out of those, I bought 80. And here's the drop right here. We can clearly see it's making the right way. The only thing that's a concern, it's smaller volume, but hey, even on smaller volume, it could drop a couple of bucks. It's not like I'm buying these 60 puts. But if the volume does start to accelerate, yeah, it's going to be a nice trade right here. So we actually going to set a limit order. It's going to target a 400% return. So we're going to sell basically 80. We're going to sell, do a split order. We're going to sell 40 at $2, 40 at $2, $2 right here. So that means that it'll have to hit a level of 62 for these to get executed. So $2 right here. Get rid of the half position. And that would double the trade, right? And we'll still have 40 left. And so the other 40 we're going to try to get just a little bit more. Maybe in the range of 2.9, which would be a 600% gain. So here it is, 40. We're going to target 2.8. I'll be okay with 2.8. So there it is, done. And so there'll be a credit of 11 plus the previous credit of 8. If we get the other 40 executed at 2, so altogether 19.2. So investing 4 to gain 19.2 in total gains. There it is. Boom, set, order, done. Handle, guys. We'll review the trade later today. And today is, by the way, today is the 26th, 27th. What is today? So today is March 27th, which is a Wednesday. The week that ends, the trading week ending March 29th. Alright guys, forgot to show you how the trade looks actual on actual charts. So here's TLRY, boom, right here. It's in the 65 handle now. We got into the trade around 66. Was buying some puts yesterday around the actually 68, 69 level. So those are making money. This one we just got in. As you can see, CRON, C-R-O-N is selling off after good revenue numbers as well. Really like this Amazon, BKG trades today, but for this illustration, we're just using this trade right here. Market is making this nice move to reversal. We're calculating a move 3. It's actually was doing a move 3 pre-market. It was dropping, bounced, and now reversing, heading lower. We should be able to see the market at 2,800 by the end of the day. So nice trade overall. We're on the right side. We're on the put side. The market is reversing, going lower. It's way overdue to correct, so we should be able to see that. Guys, if you have not learned the 13 market moves, it's going to make your job a lot easier as a trader. Make sure you click the links below. Learn the 13 market moves so you can be more prepared for daily and swing trading, catching trades like this one. Hey guys, I'm traveling today, so I'm not be able to record the actual execution here. I mean, I hope I will, but basically TLRY is to now down to 64, 68, just setting the lows for the day. This is how the trade looks. TLRY just a few minutes ago, about half an hour ago, we're buying these puts, this 80 puts at 49 cents. They're now worth 92, so basically doubled the money that we have placed in the trade. Some of the other ones that I was buying the day before, like I bought 16 at 113, they're now worth 276, and that just shows that you don't have to have, guys, a ton of contracts to be making money. As you can see, these were 67 strikes, but I was buying them when the stock was at 69. So these are pretty much almost tripled in value since then. And I bought 11 61 puts. Now, these are highly risky. They're most likely not going to be in the money, but there's a slight possibility that they will. So I was buying them at 11 cents. They're worth 17 cents now, so almost double the money as well. So for those of you that are working with super small account, you can search for some opportunities like this. This trade really cost, or this trade was about 130 bucks to put on together. And so, you know, you can see it's basically doubled. So no matter where your account is, guys, you can do this. You can start this. Trading options is not that difficult. A lot of people are trying to make it seem like it is. But it all starts with learning the charts, understanding what's happening before you go and put these trades together. So if you are trying to get to the bottom of this, what does it actually take to put some of these options trades together? Click the links below, take the courses, make this year your best trading year ever. Hi guys, so a few minutes ago I was taking this trade on TLRY 64 puts, buying them at 49 cents, now at 113. Now here's the deal. I showed you earlier the volume of contracts, right? So far there were 1,770 contracts written right here. However, since I've gotten my 80, there's an order that has followed up for almost 500 put contracts after I have taken the trade. So clearly the bigger move is coming. Somebody is putting a decent trade on here right after I have taken my trade. So also we're seeing some spike in activity in different strikes, 66.5, 66, 65, and so on. So there's clearly quite a bit of activity here on the put side. Hey guys, another day here. I'm sitting at a coffee shop actually, so I'm not talking as loud as I probably typically would. But here it is. We're fixing to take another trade, guys, showing you how to turn 5K, in this case, into 20K. And there's a couple of options we're considering. I'm actually just waiting because it's you just heard the ringing bell. It's 9:31. I'm waiting for a good entry because even though the market is moving higher right now, I don't think that move higher is going to be sustainable. So once SPX is going to hit about 28, 20, 28, possibly 30, I would start taking some puts on some of these things. And for now, I'm just patiently waiting, trying to look at a few things here. All right, so here's the market going to 28.20 as we were expecting. And it's starting to stall, so this is actually the area when I want to take some puts. Amazon, I'm going to buy some Amazon puts. This is what we're going to do. Let's see how expensive they are. Amazon puts right here. They look interesting. The stock is up. That's exactly when I want to come in and short it. So we're going to buy 10 puts, 1740 puts on Amazon. Let's do this. Let's just buy these things. Okay, so here's a quick trade on Amazon. Just got 10 puts at 5.2 right here. As soon as I got in, the stock is trying to shoot up higher. But we're just going to take a quick trade. Basically, we just paid 5.2 for those. Okay, guys, quick follow-up on the Amazon trade. Here it is now. It's down $7.03. We're buying it when it was a couple of dollars up. So $10 drop produced a $2,000 return. As you remember, we're buying them at 5.25. Now they're going at 7.25. So there it is. Hey guys, quick follow-up on the trade we took yesterday on TLRY. Today's March 28th. So here it is. We were buying 80 contracts at 49 cents. Right now they were $1.54. So we're actually going to do this. We're going to take half of the position. It's making 8,400 bucks. So we've tripled the money. We're just going to go ahead and sell, not the entire position, but 40 of them right now. Okay, so we sold 40 at $1.45. So that's triple the money type trade, 300%. We still got 40 contracts, and I still got some of the other ones that I bought from the day before. Actually going to go ahead and close these out right here because I'd like to 16 and 3.9. I was buying these at $1.13. I'm going to sell them right now at 3.9 just in case this thing is going to bounce. So here 3.8. Let's get rid of this position. So 3.7. Okay, done. So sold 16 on 3.7. So that's close to 400% on this one here. I'm still holding this 40 contracts. And I don't like this trade because everything is starting to bounce. It looks like the market could pull back down from here. I just really don't want to overstay in this position, so I may just have to go ahead and close these out. So 40 times 40, I'm going to go ahead and sell these two. 35, 40. If anything, I'll just reopen the position, but we want to lock in this 300% gains on this one. Yeah, we just want to get out of this trade. Done. Get out. Okay, done. So sold the other 40 at $1.24. Okay, so we cleaned that up pretty good. And then I'll just take these tiny little ones out right now. Joe's buying these at like 9 cents. We'll just sell them at 11. That's fine. If anything, again, I'll just get back in these. So we're clearing out this position as well. So I was buying these at 11 cents, as you can see right here. I'm going to sell them at 25 cents. We're doing substantially better just a second ago, but I don't like this turnaround. I'd better just get out and get back in at the end of the day. Okay, done. Sold, sold, sold. Okay, so I've cleared a lot of these. So this right now, actually, I would consider getting back because we're bouncing, but I think overall we are going to go lower. Some good entries, but I'd rather get in some other stocks, though. Some other stocks that have some better volume here. Okay, so you guys just have seen the entire trade on TLRY that was taken, the 80 contracts that we bought yesterday. We just take them out, the entire position, 40 and 40, at about a 300% average return.